Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shivani. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for liking them, commenting on them, subscribing to my channel. And if you guys have not yet, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel now and hit that bell icon because you guys don't want to miss out on anything. So in my today's video, I just want to talk about my personal opinion about few of the products that I bought almost a month back, and I've been using them like religiously, and I just wanted to share my thoughts on them, and you guys can decide whether you want to buy them or not. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, so the brand that I'm going to talk about today is called Spaway. It's a Japanese brand, an Asian brand, and we all know Asian beauty techniques and beauty ingredients and beauty products, they all are so good, right? So I was very tempted to it because it's like a Japanese brand and they all look so beautiful, such like blues and whites, and they just looked very tempting to me, and I thought let me just try and let me just see how it goes. And I bought 3 products. One is their triple care serum, and the other 2 things are a day cream and a night cream. So before I jump into like talking about them, I just want to say that I'm not an expert. I'm not like a professional. I've also just tried a month back, and I just came to a conclusion or an opinion of my own that okay, this is how I feel about it. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to talk today is about this serum. It's a Spaway Whitening Triple Care Serum. So before we get into it, I just want to clarify something, that I'm not somebody who believes in fair is beautiful. I just think that we all are beautiful in our own unique ways, and just to like emphasize on this fact that no product can make you like fair. All these products, what they do is they really make your skin the best version of what it is already. Nothing can suddenly make you white. Okay, that doesn't happen. Trust me, that doesn't happen. And 90% of the products that you come across, they use words like whitening, brightening, lightening, glowing. It's the same thing. I think it's the same thing. No product can suddenly make you white. All they do is they just make your skin, they just enhance like the basic texture, the basic complexion of your skin. That's it. And I didn't buy it because it's like a whitening thing. I bought it because of the ingredients that it has, and because of just because how tempting it looked like. Honestly, I didn't even pay too much attention to it, and I just wanted to clarify that before we just go ahead and make it like a whole debate out of it. I don't want to know that. Okay, so this serum, it's a triple action serum. It has like vitamin C, vitamin B3, algae extract, which like combats the melanin. It stops the production of melanin. It stops the accumulation of melanin, and that is how it just makes your skin soft, supple and radiant. And the best thing about this product is that it is so easy, so light on your skin. It's very light. You'll not even feel that there is something on your skin. So I apply it after my Makai vitamin C serum, which is like very very thin again. So I use that, and this one is more like a facial essence to me. So yeah, I use it twice in a day, like once in the morning and once in the night, and I just apply 3 to 4 pumps of it. I directly put it on my skin and I just apply it. So yeah, this one is a good bet if you guys want to buy it, and this must be some, I think this is 399 rupees, and I'm going to link down the product of course in the description box, so you guys can just check it out. I got it from Nykaa. So this one is like my favorite out of these 3. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is Spaway Moisturizing Fairness Cream for Day. This is for all skin types, and the best thing is that it has SPF 25. It's a moisturizer. It locks hydration throughout the day because of its immense moisturizing ingredient that it has. So I think this is like a good bet for people who don't want to go through that entire steps of applying moisturizer, then the SPF. It may, become like overwhelming for a lot of people. So it's a good bet for those people. But I just want to like warn you that it's not really good for the people who have like combination skin or oily skin. I have a combination skin, and this was like a little too greasy for me. I mean, I've told you guys like how much I love moisturization and how much I love that grease on my face, but this grease is some another level only. So it's very greasy, it makes your skin very 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 greasy. So only if you have like a very dry skin, this may look like a good thing. But I mean, I didn't really like the fact that it's very thick and very greasy. So that's the only like drawback for me. Otherwise it's a good day cream, like a good SPF and something like that. So yeah, this was the day cream. Now coming to the night cream. This is again Spa-Wake Moisturizing Fairness Cream for night. This is again for all skin types, and this has sea minerals. Like I said, the ingredients are fairly common in both the products, day and night cream. My only problem was that I didn't see any difference between the day cream and the night cream. They just look the same. I mean, even when you apply it, they are just same. So my only problem was like they both are like too greasy, too thick, and no difference between the day cream and the night cream. But yeah, if your skin is like extremely dry and dull and you want like that instant uplifting and a lot of moisturization, then this is the night cream for you guys. So what maybe I can do with this is that since I can't apply it every night because it is so sticky and so greasy, I can use it like a face mask, maybe twice in a week, where I can like really well massage it on my skin, and then I can just let it be, because it's on its own so greasy and so hydrating. So this might as well work like a good night mask for me. I can think about it actually, and I'll tell you how did it go. So yeah, these were the 3 products that I wanted to sort of review for you guys, and you guys can totally check it out on Nykaa. It's there, and this is my honest review about the products. I'm always going to be very honest about it. The things I don't like. I mean, it does not mean that the product is not nice. It just means that maybe it didn't suit my skin type, or maybe it just didn't work on my skin, like how this worked really well on my skin. These 2 couldn't really do that magic. So never mind. I mean, I do a lot of things with the products that I already have. I mix and match and turn like a night cream into a night mask or a massage cream. I'm going to tell you guys all the techniques that I do. So this is definitely not going for waste. I'm definitely not throwing this out. So yeah, that was like my honest review about the 3 products that I bought, and I hope it really helps you guys also. And if you guys like my video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. Please take care of yourselves and lots of love. Bye bye.